In this video, I'll show you how to use a micro SD card with your iPhone 15, 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max, and even the Plus model. So how do you insert this micro SD card into your iPhone? Well, unfortunately, this iPhone does not have any micro SD card reader like many Samsung phones. What you need to have is one of these, which is a card reader that is also USB Type-C. This one is made by Anker. I'll put a link in the description if you want to get one of these from Amazon. All you have to do is to simply insert the card inside of the reader, and then since the new iPhones have a USB Type-C port, you just have to connect it like this. Now, next step on your iPhone is to find the Files app. It should look like this one. If you don't see it, just go into the app library, tap on the top, and start typing Files. And then you should see it over here. Tap to open the app. In the Files app, you should have this menu appearing. If you don't see it, it may be because you're under Recent. So you need to tap Browse. And then this should open. Go under Location. Maybe in your case, location is like this. You need to tap on the small arrow. And over here, you should see the name of your micro SD card. This is mine, UDisk. Tap on it, and it will show you all the files that are on your micro SD card. If there are some folders, you also see the folders, but in my case, I didn't have any folders on mine. I just had 3 pictures, and if you want to view them, you just have to tap them. If you want to move these pictures on the internal memory of your iPhone, so you don't keep this connected all the time, you want to see them, all you have to do is to select them. If you want to select many pictures at once, you're going to tap on these 3 dots on the top right corner, and then you're going to select, I know, it's the first option over here. And now you can check as many items as you want. Let's say I want to transfer the 3 over here. I have selected them, so they have the blue check mark. And now next step is over here on the lower part of the screen. I'm going to tap the 3 dots as well. And I'll press copy 3 items. Then all I have to do is to go on the internal memory of my phone, on my iPhone, this, tap on it. Now it's empty, I didn't have anything on my iPhone. But let's say I want to put something in a folder. So I'll press the 3 dots, new folder, it will create the folder, let's say test in my case. Whoops, I didn't even type it properly. Test. Okay, now I'm inside of the folder. I'll keep press with my finger anywhere on the screen. It will give me these options, and I'll tap on paste. And here we go. Now my 3 images that I had previously on my SD card, they're still there by the way, are now on the internal memory of my phone. So this is how you can transfer them. And you can also transfer pictures that you took on your iPhone to the micro SD card, the same way. So I'll go in my photos. These are some screenshots I took, but let's say these are pictures that you have on your phone that you want to transfer on your micro SD card. You're gonna press select all the ones you want to transfer. Let's say it's these ones. Then I'll press the 3 dots icon here. I'll press copy. Now they're copied. I'll go back into files under my micro SD card here, where all my other pictures are. I'll keep press like this and press paste. And all the images will be transferred. This is a good way to make a backup of your pictures that are on the internal memory of your iPhone. So if you want to keep them in 2 different places and transfer them over here, you see it's very easy to do so. So I hope this was useful. Again, I have put a link in the description of this adapter that I have used for a few weeks, and honestly it has been very reliable. It doesn't get warm at the touch when I use it for a long period of time, and it's quite cool that it has 2 slots, so you can actually plug both at the same time if you have both of these cards. Give a like, write a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.